I,
state your name kindly,
I, Peter Munya,
swear by the Almighty God
swear by the Almighty God
that the evidence I shall give before this honorable court
that the evidence I shall give before this honorable court
touching on matters in question
touching on matters in question
shall be the truth,
the
whole truth,
truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you.
I humbly again request for an
We are
adjournment.
not extending for witnesses for the day, yesterday, and on Monday, legally you were going to call the AG.
Still waiting for a response from the same. We, however, have all the faith and confidence that somebody will be nominated to come and present evidence from that office.
Earlier on indicated, and as my learned senior had also indicated, our direction that we seek for an adjournment until the 11th. On the 11th, by then, as he had stated, we will be having substantive votes and we will receive further instructions on how to proceed, Your Honor. Again, to buttress my application, I respectfully and humbly quote Article 157(10) of the Constitution of Kenya. The Director of Public Prosecutions shall not require the consent of any person or authority for the commencement of criminal proceedings, and in the exercise of his or her powers or functions shall not be under the direction or control of any person or authority. I refer to that, Your Honor, to show you that we only do what we are instructed to do. And our instructions, Your Honor, is that we adjourn until then. I humbly request that you allow my application. Thank you.
Now, allow me to point out that you have misdirected yourself on that article. It talks of commencement. It does not talk of a trial that is ongoing before the court. This trial has been ongoing since it was instituted in the year 2021. And any action that the DPP intends to take has to be with the consent of the court. So you have misdirected yourself, Chair.
Much obliged.
Okay? Yes. Now, I want you to go on record that these dates were taken on 19th of December 2022. We took quite a number of dates. We are now in the month of August 2023. The prosecution has had enough time to bond their witnesses, to have a briefing with their witnesses. And therefore, it is very unfortunate when the prosecution shows up in court and claims that they do not have witnesses, and claims that they need directions from the office of the DPP on the way to move forward with this case, which they voluntarily presented before this court. This case is not just about the DPP. This case is also about the accused persons whose lives are on hold because the matter is now present in court. This matter is also about this court, which has to discharge its mandate under Article 159 of the Constitution, that requires that all cases must be heard expeditiously. This court must also exercise its mandate under Article 50 of the Constitution, that requires that there must be a fair trial and that justice must be done to all, and that cases must be heard expeditiously. And therefore, this court will not condone any form of interference, be it in the name of seeking for adjournments, or in the name of not presenting witnesses in court, or not bonding witnesses before this court. Has that been noted?
Very much so, Your Honor.
Yes. Now that it has gone on record and that your conduct has been captured on record, we shall adjourn this matter to the 11th of September, where I expect all witnesses to be present in court. And going forward, this is a warning, including to the IO, that if witnesses are not present in court, bonded on time without any justification, this court will not hesitate to exercise its mandate under Section 10 of the Magistrates Court Act to hold people who interfere with the cause of justice in contempt of the court accordingly. Noted. Let's resume trial again on the 11th of September at 9:30 a.m.